let's be honest. How much money have you spent on that course that hasn't made you a profit yet? For those of you out there who have ideas that are just sitting in your vault, what's stopping you from taking that next step? If I could guess, it would probably be the overhead before you even make a profit from this idea, which is why I created this e-learning dashboard within one of my favorite programs. This is not a master resale product. This is something that I created with my own two hands. You know you have a good idea. You know there's people out there that would benefit from the course or the education that you can provide them, but it's just not sitting right shelling out that much money for something that's not going to make the profit right away. You want something that's going to evolve with you. I created this dashboard so you can monetize all of those ideas on your very own course platform, still easy to navigate for your users without the hassle of using these expensive course platforms. A one-time fee that you'll have access to forever. Reuse it over and over for all of the course ideas that you have. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek and show you what you're gonna get in this e-learning dashboard within Notion. Completely customizable, so you're able to make changes and personalize to your brand colors and your brand personality easily. You even have Canva documents to get you jump started with that process. This template includes sections for a welcome message, and if you're the person that struggles with copy and what to say, instructions are given to you throughout the whole dashboard. The section for you to introduce yourself, the table of contents section, and then you have the course contents. All of this is customizable as well. The modules, lessons within the module. Create as many modules as you want. It's easy to just duplicate this and keep adding on to your course. And me personally, I really love this because there's a sidebar, a task list that you can create for your learners, upsell into your next offer, updates and changes to keep your learner updated, and a feedback and a frequently asked questions section. As soon as you make your purchase, you're going to receive this template to download and access all of the templates within this dashboard. Immediately get started, watch the walkthrough, check off as you go in the checklist that's provided to you, and then you make the dashboard live and start bringing in those profits. No more just letting those ideas just sit in the vault. You're going to have all of the support and tools that you need to get this going. You have people out there that need your ideas, friends. So let's get to it. Go ahead and get access to your very own e-learning dashboard within Notion. And you might even choose to keep your content here, even when you start bringing in those profits. I'm KeaShundrea, your favorite brand and content strategist, and I help solopreneurs build their brand online so they can be seen, felt, heard, and paid by the right people online without sacrificing your well-being. Everything that I provide is around sustainability. So put that course out there, have fun with it, happy creating.